I be doing the walk of shame. Looking around the room, I'm searching for a clue. Saying to myself, girl, what did you do? My shirt is on backwards, I got one side on. I found my shoe, but now my dignity is gone. I was looking for a good time last night. The red wine made me feel it all. But now I only have myself to blame. As soon as I find my sock, I'll be doing the walk of shame. Oh, everything is fuzzy. How'd I end up in this place? Those voices that I'm hearing, why can't I picture a face? The last thing I remember was sitting at the bar. Now I have no idea where